quick update here, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the dyno with the new combination, the 04 6-liter with literally 250,000 miles on it, and the new VS Racing Billet S480 clone. That's a 80mm billet and like a 112 exducer, I think, and then a 9688, and it's a 5-inch downpipe, but adapted right away to 4. Little John Motorsports clamp that goes right from 5 to 4, and then a 4-inch dumper down into the tire well there for now. Has a Little John Stage 2 turbo cam, and everything else is pretty much ready to rock. It's been doing good. I've only run it a few times, and then now I'm drove right over here to give it a whale and see what happens and see how it compares to the other setup on low boost for now till I get my sea legs back. And I'm thinking about putting a methanol kit on also, so we will see how everything goes today.